Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, make sure your device is secure, the browser is updated, and you are on a private network. Have your customer ID and registered mobile at hand because you will need an OTP. Next, type the bank's login address directly, check for HTTPS and the correct bank name to avoid phishing. Once you see the official page, click the login button and enter your customer ID. This gets you into the first step quickly, and it sets up the secure channel for the rest of the process. Now you enter your password. Type slowly and use the show option to verify characters if unsure, because a wrong attempt may lock the account. Once the password is accepted, you may be asked for a CAPTCHA or security phrase. Complete it to continue. After that, the bank sends an OTP to your registered mobile. Enter the OTP within the given time window. If prompted, complete any device registration or set up a profile name. These steps confirm who you are and enable secure access to your dashboard. You're nearly done. Once the dashboard loads, review balances and recent activity to confirm everything looks right. Make sure to log out when finished, clear the browser cache if on a shared device, and close the window to end the session securely. If you need to set transaction limits or enable two-factor authentication, do that now for added protection. Troubleshooting tip: if the OTP does not arrive, resend immediately, check your SMS inbox and network, and contact the bank if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.